Good evening, all. My name is H. Asima Kausar. My roll number is 234Z1A0298. I am from Triple E A section. My subject name is Electrical Circuit Analysis. My topic name is Explain the Theorems. First one, contents. It has six theorems. First one is Tenway's theorem. Second one is Norton's theorem. Third one is superposition theorem. Fourth one is maximum power transfer theorem. Fifth one is reciprocity theorem. Sixth one is compensation theorem. First one is Tenway's theorem. Statement. Tenway's theorem states that any two-terminal linear network having a number of voltage current source and resistance can be replaced by a simple equivalent circuit constructing of a single voltage source in series with a resistance. In Tenway's theorem, producer of a Tenway's theorem, it has three steps. First, step 1, open circuit the given resistor and find the VTH. Step 2, find RTH value. Step 3, find equivalent circuit. Next, next one is Norton's theorem. In Norton's theorem, it states that a two-terminal linear bilateral network having number of voltage source, current source, and resistance can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a current source in parallel with a resistance. In Norton's theorem, producer for Norton's theorem, it has three steps. Step 1, short circuit in given resistor and find inductance. Step 2, voltage short circuit finds returns current open circuit. Step 3, find equivalent circuit. Next one, superposition theorem. In superposition theorem states that in any linear network containing two or more sources, the responsible in any element is equal to the algebraic sum of the response caused by individual source acting along while the other source are non-operative. It has three producer for the superposition theorem. It has three steps. Step 1, consider any one source by short circuiting other source. Step 2, find current. Step 3, repeat above step and find current. Next one, maximum power transfer theorem. In maximum power transfer theorem, statement is the maximum power transfer theorem states that maximum power is delivered from a source to a load with a load resistance is equal to source resistance. It has RL equals to RS. In maximum power transfer theorem, producer for maximum power transfer theorem, it has three steps. Step 1, open circuit RL resistor. Step 2, find RTH value. Step 3, find equivalent circuit and power value. Next one, reciprocity theorem. It has in reciprocity theorem, in any linear bilateral network, it a single voltage source VA in branch A produce a current IB in branch B. Then, if a voltage source VA is removed and intersect in branch B, will produces a current IB in branch A. The ratio of response to execution is same for two conditions mentioned above. This is known as reciprocity theorem. Last one, compensation theorem. It has in compensation theorem statements is compensation theorem states that any element in a linear bilateral network may be replaced by a voltage source of magnitude is equal to a current passing through the element multiplied by a it has a multiplied by a value of the element provided in current. and voltage in the and voltage in the other part of a in voltage in the other part of a current of the unalterated. Thank you.